Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can transfer money from PayPal to Revolut. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. Right, you simply gotta go ahead, access your browser, type in paypal.com and get into the official website. Now for me, I haven't linked my card yet, so all you gotta do is go to your home section or to your wallet and tap on link a card. Right, once you're tapped on the link a card, you will find this kind of interface where you simply have to enter your debit or credit card number, your card type, and your expiration date and security code, and your address. Once you have done that, you will be able to tap on this link card and you will be linking your card. Now mind that you have to link your card of the particular bank account or the credit card that you would like to transfer your fund to, so do that of a Revolut card. Once you're done doing that, you're going to go back, and once the account has been added, here in the wallet section or even in the home section, you will find your balance over here listed, including the option of transfer funds. Go ahead, tap on transfer funds and simply choose the linked card of yours and transfer the remaining funds to that particular card, and you can do the same thing while adding funds to your PayPal as well. So that's how easily you will be able to do so, and that is it. So hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.